2nd. It's gonna get windy. It's a very windy place, so do prepare yourself for that as well. I'm doing this video actually because I suddenly realized I already had 100 videos on my channel, which is quite amazing to me. I never thought I'd reach that high of a number for my videos. Also, an update, we've reached 9,000 views. So again, that's a surprising number to reach for me. So I'll show you where we are in a bit. We are actually at the edge of Metro Manila, really at the edge, the eastern edge of Metro Manila. So let me show you. This is Katipunan Street, by the way. It extends from here to this direction. It's very windy. It's even pushing me. So I am here at SNR Members Club, and we're just gonna explore this corner. We're not gonna do a long walk. I do intend of having a long walk here someday. There's a nice condominium on that direction. Not sure if it's an office, but I believe it's also a condominium. We are approaching the intersection of Sumulang Highway and Katipunan, and funny enough, the second video on this channel was actually filmed here. So here is the place that I am, SNR membership shopping. So it's like the Costco of the Philippines. You do need to have a card to shop inside, a membership card. I believe this is a car showroom. I'm not too sure about the brand though. So the sky is also a little bit ominous. It's kind of dark on this side, so I hope it doesn't rain. So this is Sumulang Highway. If you head straight through this road, you'll reach Antipolo City, and across that is Katipunan, which is getting into more of the northern part of Marikina. So we're walking along Sumulang Highway right now. I believe this is a hospital. It's Marikina Valley. Heading straight there, you'll reach Markington, the Blue Wave Mall. Again, I will do another very extensive walk here. I just took the opportunity because we had to have like we needed to do some groceries, and there's some stuff here that you can't find on regular supermarkets. Oh, I really hope it doesn't rain because it looks like it will. I feel like it will as well. Lots of motorcycles in the Philippines, as I always say. That white building ahead of us is a Toyota showroom dealership. So this is their parking lot, or their parking garage. Just gonna do a short loop, and then I'm gonna be ending the video. I don't know why, but this building kind of reminds me of a cruise ship. There's still quite a lot of land here to be developed, and I hope they put up some good stuff on this land sometime soon. So yeah, look, the sky is so ominous. It's kind of like putting my arm hairs up. Alright, let's go back to where we started, and then I'm gonna end the video there. Just make sure I don't get run over. So like I said, this is not going to be a long walk. We will have a long walk, a longer walk sometime soon. I did make a video inside SNR, so you'll see that on my next upload. But I'm not sure whether I'd start with this one or I'll start with the interior of SNR, and then I'll show this. So yeah, anyways folks, just wanted to show you the place. If you do like this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my old videos, and hope everyone had a great day here at the edge of Metro Manila, because just a few meters across that intersection is Cainta, Rizal, so it's no longer part of the National Capital Region. I hope all of you had a great day, and again, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you folks on the next adventure. Whoa, that guy braked too hard. I believe that's the truck that braked way too hard. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, it's that truck that yeah, see, also here in the Philippines we also have idiots. Anyways folks, like, share, and subscribe. See you folks on the next one. Bye.